Restraints are effective at reducing injuries in crashes, but they need to be used properly. This is a 30-mile-per-hour crash test with 4 occupants: a male adult, a teenager, a toddler, and an infant. Neither the teenager nor the toddler in the back is wearing a seatbelt. The child in the front is restrained in a rear-facing infant carrier, and the adult is wearing a seatbelt and is protected by an airbag. Look what happens as the car crashes. Because the teenager is not wearing a seatbelt, he violently hits the driver and both are seriously injured. Had there been an adult in the back, the injuries would almost certainly have been worse. The toddler travels through the car, past the front seats, and hits the mirror and screen with his head and pelvis, almost certainly causing fatal injuries. The child in the infant carrier is in a seat protected by an airbag, but as the airbag explodes, it hits the carrier with such force that the child would have suffered fatal injuries. Airbags are very effective at protecting restrained adults, but you should never fit a rear-facing infant carrier in a seat with an airbag in front of it. The teenager should have been wearing a seatbelt. The toddler should have been in a child seat, and the baby should have been in an infant carrier in the back seat of the car. It's essential that all car passengers and drivers are properly restrained and that restraints are used correctly. Think. Make sure they're secure.